Hi everyone! Today we are making wholemeal biscuits. These biscuits deliver a rich, nutty flavor and a hearty crunch. They are so easy to bake. I've been making these for a while now, and I haven't bought store-bought biscuits since. Give them a try and let me know how yours turn out. You will need whole wheat flour and oat bran for this recipe. My go-to brand is Bob's Oatmeal. If you haven't seen oat bran before, it's the outer layer of oat grain. Adding oat bran to biscuits is an easy way to boost fiber, texture, and nutrition without changing the flavor too much. It gives your baked goods a slightly nuttier, hearty crunch that's really tasty. Make sure the butter and eggs are at room temperature before you start. This helps the dough come together smoothly and makes your biscuits light and tender. Prepare the pan in advance. Line a baking tray with parchment paper. Keep 2 additional pieces of parchment paper ready. You'll use this to roll out the dough. These perfection strips are very helpful for rolling evenly. If you can get it, I highly recommend using it. We'll start by creaming the butter and sugar for about 3 minutes, or until the mixture is pale, light, and fluffy. Add the honey and mix thoroughly. Add the eggs and beat again until fully combined. This cream mixture should be soft and smooth. Add the sifted dry ingredients. Don't throw away the bran left in the sifter. Return it to the bowl and mix in gently. Once the mixture comes together into a rough dough, use your hands to knead it lightly until it's uniform. Be gentle. Over kneading can make the biscuits tough. Roll out the dough to about 3 mm thickness. Try not to roll it too thick, or the biscuits will take longer to bake and won't be as crispy. Sprinkle a little extra bran while rolling the dough. This adds a nice texture and a gentle crunch. Using a 6 cm fluted or plain cutter, cut the dough into rounds. Use the bottom parchment paper to lift them gently. Place them into prepared baking trays and continue with the remaining dough. If you have any dough scraps, collect them, press them gently into a ball, and re-roll to use again. Don't forget to lightly prick each biscuit with a fork before baking. This allows steam to escape and helps them bake evenly, staying flat and crisp. Bake in the preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 13 to 15 minutes until they turn light golden brown. Rotate the pan halfway through baking so the color of the biscuits bakes evenly. Let the biscuits rest in the pan for a few minutes after baking, then transfer them to a wire rack to cool completely. Once they are fully cooled, pop them into an airtight container to keep them nice and crisp. Never stir warm biscuits, as they can become mushy and may develop mold. These biscuits stay fresh for up to 2 weeks at room temperature or around 3 weeks in the fridge. They can also be frozen for 2 to 3 months. Crispy, golden, and baked with love. A little healthy, a whole lot yummy. Perfect anytime, especially with coffee or milk. Hope these biscuits bring a little comfort and joy to your day. Thanks for baking with me today, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye everyone!